year, and Naomi happens to be a very dear friend of Carol and Amy Burton's. Burning the old year. Letters swallow themselves in seconds. Notes, friends tied to the doorknob, transparent scarlet paper, sizzle like moth wings, marry the air. So much of any year is flammable. Lists of vegetables, partial poems, orange swirling flame of days. So little is a stone. Where there was something and suddenly isn't, an absence shouts, celebrates, leaves a space. I begin again with the smallest numbers. Quick dance, shuffle of losses and leaves. Only the things I didn't do crackle after the blazing dies. The other poem I'm going to read, actually the next one and last one, is one of my own, and it's called Convivir, which in Spanish means to live with, literally, but I think a more accurate translation would be to come alive together. And convivir is the root of the word, our word convivial in English. The only other thing you need to know in this poem is that a little house is referred to. That's what in Spanish means a mistress or a lover, the same thing that the French call the second office. Convivir. The noun, conviviality, satin sash, shiny as a consolation prize. The adjective, somewhat trivial. But in English, there is no verb for passing the smoky present from one mouth to another, inhaling the warm intoxication of the other. Only living together, a couch you sink into and can't get up from. Convivimos tú y yo. We were a pair of pants, you and I, Time's belt loose around our waist, wit the easiest of zippers. We shared a squat, floorboards missing, but found and free. Como convivimos? We really lived it up. But how do we live in another language, and for how long? I've moved in with others, even kept a little house, but always come home to English, where, in a room with drawn curtains, lying side by side in the tousled afternoon, live and love, exhausted, inexhaustible. Wow.